Hi everyone, thank you for watching. Today I'm going to show you how I created this Olivia Culpo inspired look. I've already prepped the skin, so I'm going straight in with some Healthy Mix by Bourjois. At the moment I'm using a mixture of shade 51 and 53. Now I'm just going to conceal any imperfections and then set your base in any areas that you might get oily later. And now for the eyes, so I'm going to start by taking the matte ivory shade and sweeping that across the lid, and then I'm going to go straight over the top with the light shimmery shade, concentrating on the lid. Now dip a fluffy shader brush into that muted terracotta shade and work gently into the crease. I find it easiest to wash back and forth and then blend in tiny circles to create a really soft blended look. This is really just to add a bit of definition and warmth to the eye. To brighten up the eyes, use the white highlighter from the palette to highlight the tear duct. I also added some of this to the very centre of the lid to add an extra bit of shimmer. Here I'm using a smaller crease brush to add a tiny bit of the terracotta underneath the lower lash line. This is the NYX micro brow pencil, so I'm just going to draw a line on the bottom edge, the top edge, and then I'm going to define the tail and then maybe a few hair strokes just at the very fronts of the eyebrow. As the middle bits have faded quite a lot, I do use a dark brown brow mascara, especially as Olivia has really good natural brows, so I want to mimic that. Then I just brush a clear mascara through the rest of my eyebrows, as otherwise they have a mind of their own. Next I'm adding some contour. As I am so pale, I'm just using a light matte bronzer and the remaining half of my big fan brush. I'm not going to go too much into the centre of my face because this can make me look a bit scary. This bronzer is literally my favourite and it was about £3 and it's so good for everyday contour, so I'll link that down below. I'm just adding a tiny bit of the bronzing powder around my nose just to kind of balance my face. Okay, so this was my first time doing winged eyeliner on camera and it came out well, but I know it's not the best shot, so let me know if you want a tutorial on that. I'm using a gel liner here to create a softer look but still with like a really clean line, and I always work from the outside in to get the most precision. Just use that same white highlight on the cheekbones, and then I'm using a cream blush from the Rosie from Autograph range from M&S. If you go a bit heavy like I did, then just get a beauty sponge or a powder brush and lightly go over with whatever product was left on the brush, and that will just tidy that up. I'll be honest and say this is the only product that isn't a drugstore brand, but it's my favourite mascara ever and I just can't use anything else. It's the Chanel de Volume mascara. So to complete the look, Olivia was wearing a satin nudie pink lip, so I've tried to recreate that here with the NYX Peekaboo Neutral Lip Pencil and then the Chauffeur from Makeup Revolution. I've added a tiny bit of gloss to the centre of my lips to make them look a little bit bigger. And that's the final look. I did a half pony with loose curls and finished it off with this Victorian blouse, which is a little bit like Olivia's. I hope you liked this tutorial. Please give it a thumbs up if you did. Thank you so much for watching and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!